Where's mine?
Okay. Here's Zoe's.
Is that?
That's yours, Jack. Open it up.
Oh, fine.
Are you recording?
Yeah. What is it?
It's Tommy's train. Tommy's train.
What is it?
Can I please record?
Ooh.
Let's rip it.
Here, open Zoe's.
Okay.
So tiny.
Isn't it? It's kind of cool. Okay, now open up the box. What is it?
Books.
Oh, it's books. Did Grandma get you books?
It